Howdy folks, here's a tune called The Wreck of the Old 97. It was first recorded by G.B. Grayson and Henry Witter, and it's a story about an actual train wreck that happened in 1903 where a mail train jumped off the Stillhouse trestle near Danville. Hope you enjoy it. They gave him his orders at Monroe, Virginia, saying, "Steve, you're way behind time. This is not 38, but it's old 97. You must put her in Spencer on time." Then he looked around and said to his black greasy fireman, "Just shovel on a little more coal. And when we cross that white oak mountain, you can watch old 97 roll. It's a mighty rough road from Lynchburg to Danville in a line on a 3-mile grade. It was on that grade that he lost his air brake, so you see what a jump he made. He was going down grade, making 90 miles an hour when his whistle broke into a scream. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle and was scalded to death by the steam. Now all you ladies, you must take this warning from this time on and learn. Never speak harsh words to your true love or husband. He may leave you and never return. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. See you next time.